Name is yttrium barium copper oxide. Inside this blue box, the black disc is superconductor. Name is yttrium barium copper oxide, which superconducts at minus 183 degrees Celsius or 90 degree Kelvin. And here is a magnetic track. Magnet orientation are like this. This is north pole line, middle row is south pole, and again last row is north pole magnets. Okay, I am putting one spacer on this, and we will keep superconductor on this. At room temperature there is no magnetic activity, there is no Meissner effect. When it goes to minus 183 degrees Celsius, it will show nice, amazing flux spinning effect, that is called Meissner effect. Now we will put superconductor on this magnetic track, and we will cool with liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen temperature is minus 196 degrees Celsius, so it is enough to cool up to minus 183. So let's cool it. Okay, now our train is ready to run. You can lean and see there is some gap between train and track. Can you figure out the gap? Just tell me how much gap is there. It is something 4 mm. Whatever gap you are seeing, if I try to close this gap, it never closes down. But if I try to lift the train, there is some attraction. So it is combination of attraction and repulsion effect. This is called Meissner effect or flux spinning effect. As the track ends, train automatically comes back, because at both ends there is a magnetic sitting in different orientation that repel back the train. If I try to tilt the train, it never fall. It just stand. Okay. If I put something on track, train just run over that. So if somebody sleep on the train to commit suicide, he may be saved. If I try to turn the train, it never go 90 degree or 45 degree or any other degree. It can go 180 degree, means it maintain track direction either forward or backward, but it never change any other degree. It just go forward or backward. Okay. If I try to tilt the train, it back to vertical. Okay. If I tilt, it never fell. It back to vertical. Train just run in air, so there is no frictional loss. It can run at any speed. It can achieve any high speed. If I try to tilt, it never fall. If I tilt whole track, then also it maintain the track. So we can lay a horizontal track along the building, train can go along the building. No need of ground space. Okay. For accident, there is another possibility. If some terrorist come and break the track. So let us see by breaking the track. Here I have broken the track. Let us see. Train never go further. Train just come back as it's in broken track. It's very track sensitive, accident proof, terrorist proof, perfect for India like country.